Look at these trees, they're Douglas fir. You can tell because of the little wing things on the cones. They've been high pruned for timber. Anyway, they're really nice trees. You can see the different bark. There's algae on this side where the light is. Anyway, they're such nice trees. Someone's made this bench for lying down and looking at them. I'll show you. It's just nice to look at them from this angle. These ones are huge. They're down in the valley so they don't get so much wind, and they've grown really big.